Okay, here we go.
Okay, I'm hold it.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Okay, come
And
this way.
me again.
Say hello.
Hi.
We're gonna do our
Yeah, I again. I decided.
July's arcade block,
You there now.
and we're gonna open it now. I know, I can wait. And we're gonna open it now from July.
Where is there,
And here's the butter knife. And Charlie's gonna do it. Wait. We gotta do it right here.
yeah. I'll put
There. Okay, you gotta go like this. Let me help you. There.
So Luke can get everyone now.
Yeah. We'll put the knife over there.
So
And so we can open it. And here's our box.
your box.
Yeah. We gotta put the stuff out. Oh, what do we got?
Luke, no pull stuff out yet.
Ooh.
Oh wait.
Got a t-shirt. Oh, show the camera what we got. Key. And then we got this awesome shirt. Smash. Smash. Smash shirt. Oh, it looks like we got a... Oh, we got a... Yeah, what is that? That's a autograph.
And this is called
What is that called? Oh, that's a shirt punch card. So I can get a shirt. What do we get here? This looks like a awesome key.
and a
Oh, and a helmet.
Actually, you got.
An arcade block
Look at
for the speaker function properly. Both the USB and the 3mm cables must be plugged in together.
Luke.
Mega Man helmet speaker.
Luke.
Ooh, that's
oh
cool.
my God, look at Luke. Come on, it's coming out.
Uh-oh. Okay, let's see what we got. And this is not the card I want. What's the card? Oh, here it is. Okay, hold that up and I'll read it out loud. I got the card for all that. That is a Mega Man helmet speaker.
And this.
And that's an exclusive
Look at it.
for the Mega Man helmet speaker. That's going to be a nice
Mommy,
item.
Look at it. Look at it.
Oh, and then from Warcraft, FUNKO Mystery Mini.
Yeah.
And then hold the key up. Hold that up. And that is from an exclusive Dungeon Boss key.
Yeah.
And, ooh, it looks like a, here, show them what that is. An air freshener.
Oh.
Will you hold the shirt up, Lukey? What'd you find? Oh, you want the phone. Okay, and what is that? That is, hold that up, a Toad air freshener. And last but not least, hold this up, is an exclusive DEUS X-Print autograph by ELIAS TOUFEXIS. I don't know if I said that right. Hold the shirt up, put the design there, and hold that shirt this up. And a t-shirt, Smash, exclusive Smash t-shirt. Well, what do you think about this box, Char?
Good.
And John Luke? I think I like this,
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. What's that?
That is that.
You put buttons on it and make one nice.
Yeah, a lot of noise. And then the shirt's kind of nice, isn't it? All
What's
colorful.
noise?
The shirt's got a lot of color. I like the shirt. And, of course, the minifigure. Should probably open that up. And the helmet. Autograph.
Hi, let's go. And I go at me, my
And the key.
Oh. too.
and this credit thing.
I'm Epic Pig.
That's pretty good.
This is my episode.
All right, well, we gotta say bye-bye. Say
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Now it's time for your pizza.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.